Welcome to the Strollect website presentation. In this video, we show you three important parts of the Strollect website: our interactive data map, our mission, and our partners. Our interactive map, which can be accessed under Measured Data, is the central interface where all the data collected when using the Strollect service comes together. A short intro text explains our approach and then provides a link to an area where the collection of data is explained in more detail. The map itself uses familiar patterns, as navigation should be kept as simple as possible. First of all, when using the map for the first time, you can click through a short tutorial or start directly. During use, you can adjust the filters to specify precise parameters, such as where you want to search, what quantity of waste should be taken into account, when to search, what type of waste is involved, and whether the polluter should be named. Additional filters are also possible. We have chosen the city of Potsdam as an example to show exactly how this works. We would like to know where more than 10 kilograms of paper and plastic waste was collected last month. Using these parameters, the map can mark precise hotspots that exactly match our search query. You can also click on these marked locations to get a brief summary. In order to better communicate our actual idea of Strollect, we have created the Our Mission section. Here, we want to explain exactly what we do, how we do it, and why we do it. Following the text, which deals with these questions, is a short milestones overview, which provides information about Strollect's current figures. But the most important part is yet to come. In order to openly explain what happens beyond the actual collection of waste, where the waste ends up, and to what extent it can be further processed, we have come up with 6 steps that deal precisely with this topic. Each step is explained in a short text, supported by a minimalist illustration. While the first point is about collecting waste and the user perspective, the second deals with how a full Strollect is emptied by our employees. In the third step, the waste is sorted, scanned, and separated by us, and then passed on to our selected partners in the fourth step. Each partner has been checked by us in advance and is in constant consultation with us. The areas of application are very different. While some waste can even be converted into electricity or heat, other partners specialize in recycling the recovered resources into new material. In order to preserve the cradle-to-cradle principle, Strollect itself also benefits from the new products of our partners. For example, almost all spare parts for our Strollects are made from recycled materials that were lying on the street some time ago. This allows us to replace all parts that could be damaged by intensive use or weathering. We have listed exactly who our partners are and what they do on the Our Partners page. Our core supporters currently consist of 6 different companies or organizations, all of which fit our corporate philosophy. For example, while Novaloop is one of our customers for recycled materials, the Ocean Cleanup supports us financially. In general, as a nonprofit organization, Strollect receives funding mainly through collaborations, cooperations, and donations. In addition to the core supporters, Strollect cooperates with academic institutions such as universities and institutes that support us with donations for access to our freely available data. But individuals also have the opportunity to help us as donors to promote the idea of Strollect and our approach. And that's the end of the presentation of the Strollect website presentation. We hope you found the video interesting, and thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching.